Hello friends, in this lecture we will explore HTML headings. Now HTML headings are really important. Based on your HTML headings and content, search engines index your page. And also it kinds of looks cool when you have a heading, then subheading, then under it goes the content. Say for example you are writing a resume. So at the top you will have like my resume. Then you will have a subheading, say for example your qualification. Then your qualification goes like, say you are a computer engineer or you are an architect, like this. You are a singer, just like this. So how many kinds of headings are there? In HTML there are 6 kinds of headings. It starts from H1 and it goes like H1, H2, H3 up to H6. So let's illustrate by example. There's nothing more cooler than examples, right? Using examples you can learn better, isn't it? So let's delete everything. So H1 say resume, then H2 say qualification. Then here you can have some content like engineer. Now first of all let's save it as a different name. So it's HTML headings. Let's save it. Now let's open it using our browser, that is Firefox. See, this is the H1, this is the H2. Then we have H3. Let's say right here my friend. Then H4, write say your friend's name, Rob. Then goes H5. Let's write here Alex. And finally we have H6. Here write say I like cheese. Let's save it and refresh our browser. Here it is. See, this is H1, this is H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. This is very small, teeny tiny text. Okay, so this is how it goes. So in HTML we have 6 headings starting from H1 to H6. So till now what we have learned? We have learned what is HTML, then we have seen how to write an HTML document, then we have seen what are HTML elements, then HTML attributes, then we have seen how we can provide styles using HTML, and now we have seen HTML headings. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture where we will explore HTML paragraphs. So till then, have fun, take care.